Hi guys, how are you? I am going to discuss with you how to delete your Gmail account permanently. So, this is very simple way to delete your Gmail account permanently. So, first of all, follow my steps. Go to your Gmail account. Then click on this option. Come to settings. Click on settings. Below have that option settings. Click on which account you want to delete. Click on that account, that mail. Click on that mail. So click on this three dots, right side three dots. Getting manage account. Click on manage account. Continue. Come down to Google. Click on Google. Here below accounts you have a option Google. Click on Google. So here in account session having three: sign in and security, personal info and privacy. Third option is account preferences. So click on account preferences. Click on account preferences. So here having language, second one is Google Drive storage, third one is delete Google services, fourth one is delete your Google account. Delete your Google account. Below having delete your Google account and all data. So you need to select option this one, delete your Google account. If you want to delete your Google account permanently, you can choose that option, delete your Google account. So you can click on that option. Automatically it will ask you password. Enter your password. Automatically your Gmail account will going to delete permanently. So click on that option. So I told you ask password. Click on that password, sign in. Automatically your Gmail account will going to delete. Okay, this is permanently. This one is permanently. So I will explain you once again. So first of all, go to settings, then Gmail, then three dots is there, manage accounts, continue. You can come to below Google, then account preferences. So delete your Google account. Your password, sign in. Automatically your Gmail account will going to delete. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, you can comment below. I will respond to your comment. Thank you.